Mbma Apprenticeship Recruitment 2024, Notification. The Meghalaya Basin Development Authority invites applications for the Apprentices Program, Monitoring and Evaluation. The candidates should be the residents of Meghalaya. The deadline for the application is the 4th of June 2024. These are the following posts. Name of the post: Monitoring and Evaluation. No of posts: 5 posts. Age limit: minimum of 18 years and above. Salary: Rs. 7,000 per month. Essential qualification: graduate or postgraduate in statistics, demographics, public policy, development studies and engineering, preferably with an advanced certificate in M&E and statistics. Essential skills: should be an excellent communicator and comfortable with managing multiple tasks. Should be an expert in MS Excel, PPT and Word. Essential requirements: the work will entail with frequent traveling to the project clusters, villages. Also, after you know the posts, then, how to apply for Apprenticeship Recruitment 2024. Candidates must apply via Google Forms as per the links provided in the description box below finger, and no other mode of application will be accepted. So, candidates must apply and fill up the application form on or before the 4th of June 2024, till 5 p.m. All essential documents are to be uploaded in the same application link provided. Selection process. 1. Apart from the filled application form, resume and certificates, a cover letter stating your interest and willingness to take up this apprenticeship training and program is a must. 2. Selection based on merit and marks secured in the degree or diploma course as mentioned. Each apprenticeship post would be one part of the selection process. 3. Personal interview. I hope you all understand about these posts. So, kindly take this opportunity for filling up these different vacancies. Thank you.